Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get WhatsApp media in your gallery. Sometimes, photos and videos you receive on WhatsApp don't automatically show up in your phone's main photo gallery. This can be a bit confusing, but don't worry, the solution is usually quite straightforward. We'll go through the exact steps you need to take, whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, to ensure all your cherished memories are easily accessible. Let's dive right in and get those media files visible. For Android users, making your WhatsApp media visible in the gallery is quite simple. First, open your WhatsApp application and tap on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner to access the main menu. From there, select Settings, then Chats. You'll see an option called Media Visibility. Make sure this toggle is switched to the on position. Once enabled, any new photos or videos you receive will automatically show up in your phone's gallery application, making them much easier to find and share. If you're an iPhone user, the process is slightly different but equally simple. Open WhatsApp and look for the settings icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on Settings, then navigate to Chats. Within the Chats menu, you'll find an option labeled Save to Camera Roll. Make sure this setting is enabled. With this turned on, all new photos and videos you receive through WhatsApp will automatically be saved directly to your iPhone's Photos app, just like any other picture you take. Sometimes, even after adjusting these settings, you might still encounter issues. First, always check your phone's available storage. If it's full, new media cannot be saved. Also, ensure WhatsApp has the necessary permissions to access your phone's storage or photos. You can usually find this in your phone's main settings under Apps or Applications. Finally, a quick restart of your device after making any changes can often resolve minor glitches and help the new settings take effect immediately. Enjoy your easily accessible WhatsApp media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.